Are you looking for how to get rid of moles on your face? Despite the ancient theory that moles are the beauty enhancer, we loathe the appearance of these small, dark brown spots at first sight. However, we all have a few moles in our bodies, which vary in color and shape. The flat black mole may not make us much worried, but the moles are big and raised. It's something annoying and harmful for our skin. If you are cautious enough to remove it at first notice, some natural remedies can help you. Therefore, to get rid of these unpleasant skin moles painlessly, keep reading this article about cancerous moles, how to get rid of moles on skin. How to get rid of moles on face naturally. Usually, skin moles, normal, do not cause any harm to our body, but too many moles can affect your looks and appearance. However, there are various procedures to remove the mole, which is costly and painful. So trying some home remedies may help us to remove the mole without much effort and pain. Baking soda and castor oil for moles. This is an age-old method to remove moles. Baking soda and castor oil mixture uproot the mole and lighten the scar on several uses. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda with 2 drops of castor oil. Apply the paste on the mole and leave for 30 to 40 minutes. Cover the area with gauze or Band-Aid. Oregano oil. This is an essential oil with many benefits. It contains antioxidants and herbal nutrients, which are powerful enough to remove moles and blemishes. This oil is a natural antibiotic that kills the virus and skin germs. Make a mixture of 2 or 3 drops of oregano oil with any carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Spread it on the moles with a cotton swab. No need to wash it, as it will absorb slowly in the skin. Do it daily. Onion juice. Due to its acidic properties, onion juice is an excellent and safe natural remedy to remove skin mole. Applying onion juice topically can help you to remove the mole and its scares. The natural acids in onion juice are also helpful to make skin tone even. Take a medium onion and peel it off, cut it into halves, and put it into the mixer. Extract the juice and apply it to the mole with a clean cotton ball. Stay for 1 hour and wash with water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day. Iodine. Iodine is a chemical compound. It is beneficial to kill germs and reduce inflammation while we apply it topically. Iodine can heal wounds inside the mouth and other parts of the body. Direct application on mole makes it flake off. Take 1 shell drop of iodine, apply it directly to the mole. Cover the adjacent area of mole with petroleum jelly for protection. Do it daily for 1 week. Garlic for mole removal. How to get rid of moles on the face using garlic. Being a flavoring spice in every kitchen, garlic also has numerous health and skin benefits. Therefore, it is helpful to get rid of skin moles or other skin issues. Garlic bulbs are enriched with a specific enzyme called allicin, which helps break down the cluster of cells that form moles. It also lightens the pigmented skin tone. Peel off and smash 1 or 2 garlic cloves. Place the garlic on the mole area and fix it with a bandage or medical tape. Please keep it for 3 to 4 hours and clean the area with antiseptic cream after removing the bandage. Repeat it daily.